Once you get rid of the distractions, once you learn the art of detachment, your life is going to change. It's kind of dark in here. I wish I would have brought my light, but this ain't gonna be a long video. It's gonna be a quick video. The thought that came to my head while I was driving was, you keep going in and out of being a bad bitch because of this. Okay, it literally came to me like that as I was driving, and it said, you keep going in and out of being a bad bitch because of this and this. And the first thing that came to my mind when this thought came up was because of, one, your environment. Your environment plays such a major role on how you show up, who you believe you are, how you believe in yourself. The type of representation that's around you is so beneficial to shaping who you show up as in the world, right? And y'all know it's kind of cliche to say, because the saying is, if you hang around 4 crackheads, you gonna be the 5th one, right? If you hang around 3 rich people, then you gonna be the 4th one. Who you are, where you're planted, the people that you entertain, and what happens on a day-to-day basis in your environment shapes your day-to-day life. And I feel like that I needed to say that, not only for myself but for you guys, because right now you may be in a position to where you feel like you've accomplished certain things, you feel like you have certain things going for yourself, you have these dreams, you have these visions of what it is that you know you can do and you want to do, right? And everything in you is telling you that these things are meant for you. However, what you see on a day-to-day does not represent that. What you see every day is not reflecting that, and so it confuses you. And this is how the enemy confuses you. It confuses you, and it makes you feel like, maybe I'm just thinking too much, maybe this ain't what it is, maybe I'm not what I think I am. You are exactly who and what you think you are. You know what I'm saying? And so that gets me into the second thing, which is like your mindset. And I know that mindset, this ain't in no particular order, because mindset is really one of the major important things about it, because how we think, how we speak to ourselves, who we believe we are, like how we pour into ourselves in our mind, what we put into our mind, what we intaking on a day-to-day basis, has a lot to do with how we show up in this world. Okay, so yes, and that has a lot to do with the environment that we choose to stay in. Okay, y'all, change your mind, change your life. Change your mind, change your life. Like when I started this journey with YouTube and just stepping out to be a content creator, back then I didn't know that I was gonna be a content creator. I really was just trying to do something to get my creativity out there, to get my story out to the world, to actually like find a sense of community, because I really felt like I didn't fit in where I was, and I didn't fit in with the things that were taking place in my life. I didn't fit in with my family anymore. I didn't fit in with the friends that I had at the time, and I wanted something different. I was literally craving and yearning for something different, and I realized that I was gonna have to go out and get it myself. So I started to read books, and I talk about this often on my channel. The very first book that I read was The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Then I read Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, and those two books changed the trajectory of my life, you guys. I began to realize and imagine things that I didn't even know that I could imagine. When it came to starting YouTube, I used to call myself tech-tarded. So like, Let me see if I cut on some more light. I used to call myself tech tardy, y'all. So this is like, basically I knew I wasn't like a techie type person, but I read about it, I researched it, I watched YouTube videos, and I pretty much taught myself how to do this, and I did it, you know. So it's like whatever you put your mind to, whatever you focus on grows. And I'm saying this to someone right now who's sitting there and they got these big dreams, and you feeling like, you know, because of the environment you in, you can't do it. I'm here to be living proof to show you that you can, even in the environment. Now, will you be able to stay there forever? No. Can you grow there? You can do what you got to do, because God done already put the footprints out there for you. You just got to follow the path. You know what I'm saying? But it's upon you to keep feeding your mind and planting the seeds in order for you to really reap the benefits and enjoy the fruits of your labor, okay? It can be done. Like, it can be done. You see it every day. Every day you pick up your phone, when you get on TikTok, when you get on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever platform that you've been on, especially when you get on YouTube, you see people change their life every single day. And let's not get it twisted. You ain't just got to become a content creator to change your life, okay? There are so many good career paths out there. People are getting into tech, people getting into real estate, people investing in stocks, people are trading. It's so many different avenues to make money. You just have to set your mind on one of them and take action. And once you take action, I promise you, God is going to provide every step from there on, right? I didn't know anything about anything when it came to starting a business. Even when I started my hair business, I didn't know how to make a website. My homegirl, Unique, her name is Unique Terche. We all started YouTube kind of around the same time. She came down from Atlanta. I went and picked her up from the bus, and she helped me like learn how to create the website, which was a Wix website. She stayed in my house for a couple days, and she gave me the basics, and I always thank her for that. And I built my own website, right? I taught myself how to do that, well, with the help of a friend. But you get what I'm saying? Like, I had to get around the right people to learn the right resources. Then I started to take seminars. I started to take webinars. I done bought so many courses. I am the course buying queen. I'm always buying a course, which is how I end up starting my own courses and having my own webinars, because I was meant to teach the information that I was retaining. So when I say there are ways, don't let your mind, don't let the enemy trick you out of your spot, okay? Because if you had the thought, then it's for you. Just keep going with it. Take that one step, and then you'll be able to take another step after that, and you'll be able to take another step after that, and I promise you it'll get you to the destination, okay? You just got to stay consistent. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. So the third thing, and I'm probably just going to leave this after this, because I can go on and on about this, and if you guys want me to continue on with like videos like this, you know, I will. Just let me know. Thumbs this video up, hit that like button, you know, turn on the post notifications, comment, so we can be interactive in the comments. Let me know if you've been going through things like this, or if any of these tips are helping you right now. The third thing is going to be distractions. Distractions come up as people, places, things, your phone, anything that is taking you out of that space to where you are feeling like the bad bitch that you are. You have to learn the art of detachment. Detachment from your phone, detachment from people, detachment from places, detachment from these things. Okay? When I say this is vital, and this is something that I have struggled with for a long time, or it's taken me a lot of time to learn. You know what I'm saying? Like, once you get rid of the distractions, once you learn the art of detachment, your life is going to change. Once you get detached from the outcome, once you get detached from having control, that's you stepping into having full faith. And a bad bitch has faith. A bad bitch has complete faith. They have faith in themselves. They have faith in the outcome being the best outcome that's available to them. They have faith in knowing that everything is always working out for their greatest and highest good. They show up in the world in the way that, you know, they feel is inspirational, encouraging, motivational. You get what I'm saying? They like do it. They get it done. They don't sit and dwell and waddle in sadness and hurt, because they know that is not one, is not income producing activity. Two, is not self-love, right? So y'all, if this video has touched anything, any ounce of you on the inside of you, if it has said like, yeah, I do go in and out of being a bad bitch, this year 2024 really took me up and down through there, and I'm not taking that into my 2025. I'm not going to be this way in 2025. You have already been planting the seeds. It's time for you to water them. It's time for you to water them. You know how people say, water your own grass. The grass ain't green on the other side. It's just green wherever you at. You feel me? And it's green where you water it at. You feel me? Water yourself. Nurture yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself enough to change your environment. Love yourself enough to change your mind, to change your life. Love yourself enough to detach from the things that are no longer serving you or your highest or your greatest good. Right? I want y'all to take this video, listen to it, take this message and take it to God. Ask God if this message is for you, if you were supposed to get a piece of it or all of it. Ask God how he feel about it. You feel me? But I had to get this out. Like, I was literally on the highway and this came to my mind, and I was like, this ain't just for me, this for somebody else. This 2024 took me through the ringer, literally wrung me out, right? But one thing about it, God has put so much greatness into my life that I know that it'll only be on me if I stay in those negative places, right? Hey, 2025 is the year. 2025 is that year. You are a bad bitch. You are that girl. You are the it girl. You are her. Okay? And you don't need a stranger on the internet to tell you that, because you already know that. Tell yourself that. Get yourself up right now and go look in the mirror and you say, I'm her. Because you really are. Alright? You might not be where you want to be, but who's stopping you? So that's confirmation right there. Okay, I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And yes, I hope that God bless you, and I'll see y'all on the next one.